Jean Baudrillard's Simulacra and Simulation explores how reality has been increasingly replaced by symbols and signs, leading to a state where simulations, copies without originals, dominate human experience. He argues that in the modern world, representations no longer refer to any authentic reality. Instead, they generate a hyperreality, where simulations are more real to people than the reality they supposedly represent. Baudrillard describes 4 stages of representation. First, reflecting a basic reality. Second, masking and distorting a reality. Third, masking the absence of a reality. And fourth, becoming pure simulacra, bearing no relation to any reality whatsoever. This process culminates in a society where truth and meaning are replaced by endless simulations, blurring the boundaries between reality and fiction. He particularly critiques media, advertising, and consumer culture, emphasizing how they create hyper-real experiences that detach individuals from direct, lived experiences. Institutions, from politics to religion, increasingly exist more in their mediated symbolic forms than as real forces influencing life directly. In this simulated world, Baudrillard warns, power becomes performative rather than substantive. Reality is produced and consumed through layers of images, leaving individuals alienated and uncertain about what is genuine. Traditional ideas of meaning, truth, and authenticity erode, replaced by a self-referential system of signs. Ultimately, Simulacra and Simulation serves as a radical meditation on the postmodern condition. Baudrillard does not offer a clear solution, but forces readers to confront an unsettling reality, that we live in a world where the real is no longer accessible, and where the signs of reality have displaced reality itself. Life lessons from Simulacra and Simulation. Question appearances. Not everything that appears real is real. Always examine the deeper structures behind representations and narratives. Beware of over-mediation. A life lived through screens, media, and signs distances you from authentic experience. Seek direct engagement with the world whenever possible. Understand the power of symbols. Symbols and images often shape beliefs, behaviors, and systems more powerfully than facts or realities themselves. Learn to decode and critically engage with them. Value authenticity. In a world saturated with simulations, authentic relationships, experiences, and truths become even more precious and worth cultivating. Stay critical of systems and structures. Many institutions and ideologies operate through simulations. Maintaining a critical awareness protects you from manipulation and passive conformity.